What's up, guys, and how has everybody been? Yes, I know it has been 2 weeks now, something like that. 2 weeks. Where have I been? Somebody said Philly quit vlogging. Where's Philly at? He gave up. What's going on? Well, let me clear the air. Let me tell you what's going on. First of all, if you're seeing this means one thing and one thing only, right? As you can tell with the background here, all right? We're down in Sherrigal Island. We're down here where we're moving to. And guys, that 50,000 peso bet is still on. Anybody wants to jump on it, feel free to jump on it. I'll take any takers. And that also means the Starlink is working down in the province. That's right. How to get the Starlink down here? We brought 2 suitcases, right? One suitcase had the box with the Starlink in it and a few items. That's how we got it on down here. Threw it on a check-in luggage, or not check-in, or bottom of the airplane luggage. Threw the Starlink and made it all the way down here. It was funny. Her uncles and her cousins and everybody else that hangs out, they went up on top of the roof at the house and installed it. It was a rather interesting, fun time to watch. But we're down here because we got things we have to do to our arrival, to us actually moving down here. I will discuss that in upcoming videos, where we're living, where we're staying, what we're doing, remodeling, who's living with us, and the whole entire thing. I will explain it to everybody. Also, the whole cast of people that you guys are going to start seeing in our vlogs when we move down here, from nieces to nephews to uncles to aunts to mothers to grandmothers to you name it. There's a whole cast of characters, great people. Well, where have I been? Guys, I had a virus. I had a virus in my body. Some of you guys may have had it in the past. Some of you guys are aware of it, or if you're not aware of it, you should be aware of it. But I had the shingles virus. If you remember correctly, guys, it was right a couple days or so before Valentine's Day. You know, I'd gotten a bad fever, didn't feel well during Valentine's Day. I mean, I blew people off. I wasn't blowing people off to be ignorant or anything like that. I just did not feel like anything. But I got that shingles virus in me. Still today, I would say percentage-wise, 85% feeling better. I can get up, I can think, I'm not in pain. But man, it was hell. It was literally hell on my body. I mean, I've had pain that lasts, a week or so, and then it just kind of went away. But this just didn't. It just lingered, from the fever I had to even I still feel it in my shoulder, to the I had a big rash up from my chest all the way up under my arm, under my armpit, onto my back. It just got flaming hot and red, and blisters, and thank God my friend, he my doctor buddy, as I call him, military guy, he came over and he gave me a bunch of antibiotics, like antiviral or like an antiviral pill. But I was taking one of them every 4 hours for 5 days, and I could feel that in my body. I could feel it, it was tough on the body. Then after 5 days, no more. But I still had, the rash. I still had the pain. It was like a burning, literally a burning sensation on my body, like around my chest area, up under my arm and onto my back. In other parts, my leg, some of my stomach felt it. My left arm, right arm, nothing. Not on my face, none of that. But it was like having like the worst sunburn you could have for days. And every day it just got worse and worse and worse. If you've had tattoos, like after you have a tattoo, that feeling after a tattoo, you know, your skin is tight and it hurts and it's sensitive to the touch. That's how it was. You know, the only thing I could do is, you know, take some type of pain reliever for it. I couldn't sleep. I was getting 10, 15 minutes max of just sleep. Then I would wake up and, you know, and just lay there, and I couldn't get comfortable because it was just constantly non-stop, day and night. Those that have had it know what I'm talking about. Those that never got it, never had it, I hope, I don't wish it on anybody except for a few people. A few of the people that I really don't care for in life, I'd wish it on them. But everybody else, no, I would not wish it on anybody. And then on top of it, because I had a hard time sleeping and trying to adjust myself in bed, I got like a real bad knot in my back that was painful. So now I can't sleep because of the burning from the, you know, from this virus in my body, and the aching and the needles and in my back. I'm telling you, man, I was a mess. I was a total mess. There were a couple times I just felt like just crying. I'm like, look, if you know, if it would end right now, I'd feel fine, you know, and be done with it. But there's where I've been. I don't want to keep on going on and boring you and everything like that, but that's where I've been. I didn't quit. I just had zero energy to do anything, to talk to anybody, to message anybody, to even put up a post. You know, I did there, like 3 of them I did, and that was, I was pushing my body, and it was telling me, you know, within an hour or so being up, like, dude, you need to relax. You need to stop. You need to go home. You need to rest. So that's what I did. I didn't quit. Our journey's only beginning down here. This is beautiful here. I'm at Cloud 9. Stay tuned for a video on that tomorrow. Cloud 9 is the very famous surf spot down here. A lot of people come here. A lot of tourists come here to hang out, to surf. Some people just hanging on the beach. But yeah, we're down here. Like I said, Starlink is working. It is working strong. Except for there's only one problem now. All her brothers, or all her cousins and nieces and her uncle, well, they're all now connected to the Starlink because they didn't have internet out there. Like, I can't even get a cell phone reception where we're at. All right, I can't. But Starlink, as soon as I plugged that thing in, as soon as it was mounted, as soon as it was plugged in, within 10 minutes, I was up. I was running. My phone was binging, let me know that it was online and everything. It works perfect. Yeah, they're all like, have they been on the internet? Of course they have. They just not on a daily basis like they have now. So anyways, guys, it's stay tuned. We'll be down here 10 days. And like I said, I'm going to show you where we'll be staying, the whole entire cast and crew that you guys are going to be seeing in videos in the upcoming, when we decide we're moving down here. When we decide, remember, we have to wait for Hannah to finish school. Please, if any, and I know somebody's going to say, oh, I thought you moved. Oh, what are you moving? Pay attention. Pay attention. All right, guys, with that, I'm going to keep this video short, and with that, we will talk to you later, and stay tuned, because Philly in the Philippines did not quit, did not retire. He said he just had to take a medical break. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you later.